Benefits of eating aloe vera and how to prepare it. Welcome to our channel at Health Lifeside, where you can find videos that help you feel and look healthy through natural means. Aloe vera, which is often called the plant of immortality, is being added to make great tasting smoothies and juices. It's been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, and ever since, it's been known to provide various health benefits. Aloe vera can do more than help the skin cool down from a sunburn. They are super hydrating and contains anti-inflammatory properties. But what are the benefits of eating aloe vera regularly? Aloe vera can 1. Suppress inflammatory signals. 2. Support metabolic balance. 3. Reduce dental plaque when used as regular mouthwash. 4. Boost immune system. 5. It is filled with antioxidants. 6. Encourage skin repair and hydration. 7. Contain 20 amino acids that help in muscle development. 8. Boost memory. 9. Reduce blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. 10. Reduce symptoms of depression. 11. Help regulate digestive function. 12. Reduce inflammation and blood pressure. 13. Help in balancing electrolytes. Preparing aloe vera gel. Mostly applied on skin, but can also be eaten when prepared right. It can be added into different recipes including salsas and smoothies. To prepare the gel, remove the spiky edges on top and sides of the leaf. Take off the skin on its flat side and remove the clear gel. Dice the gel into tiny cubes. Wash the cubes thoroughly to get rid of all traces of debris, dirt, and other residue. The latex residue, which is a yellow liquid between the skin and the gel the leaf, makes it taste bitter. Long-term consumption of latex residue in aloe vera have been linked to side effects like 1. Stomach cramps. 2. Irregular heartbeat. 3. Muscle weakness. 4. Kidney problems. The skin of the aloe vera, on the other hand, is safe to eat. It is a great addition to your summer salads. You can even dip the skin into a salsa or hummus. Soak the skin in water for 10 to 20 minutes before eating if you find it too hard to chew. We hope that you have enjoyed the video. If you know any other benefits of eating aloe vera, please feel free to comment below. We'll be happy to add it to our list. Don't forget to like and share our video. Plus, click the subscribe button now. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.